Namaste. Let me introduce myself. I am Mas.Praveen Hariharan, class 6th B, Vikas Vidyalaya Junior Matriculation School. I am going to make greeting card. Greeting card making things. 20 centimeter length, 15 centimeter breadth, sketchers, pencil, scale, eraser, glue, stone, tape, chart and color paper, 4 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm, chocolates, 13 cm, 13 cm, 3 cm, 3 cm, 6 cm, 6 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm, 7 cm, hearts and scissors.